Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to transcribe now. Open Capcut and import the clip you want transcribed. Use a high-quality audio file for better results. Once the clip is on the timeline, tap it to reveal options, then choose text and select speech-to-text, the built-in only way for automatic captions. Make sure microphone permissions are granted if recording live. This step starts the conversion, so wait for the processing indicator. Accurate input reduces editing later and speeds up alignment with the timeline. Once Capcut finishes transcribing, you'll see captions on the timeline. Play the clip and follow along. Pause and edit any misrecognized words directly in the caption editor, because accurate text matters for viewer comprehension and search. Then fix timing by dragging caption edges or splitting segments so each line matches spoken phrases. Make sure to apply a consistent style. Pick readable font and size, set position away from important visuals, and use presets to save time when multiple clips require the same look. Finish by playing the whole project to confirm timing, style, and accuracy. Toggle burned-in captions if you need permanent subtitles. When satisfied, export at your target resolution and inspect the exported file to ensure captions stayed synchronized. If captions drift or contain repeated errors, reprocess with a cleaner audio track, re-record the problematic segment, or manually retype lines. This is the fastest fix. If processing stalls, close Capcut. Reopen the project and retry, because memory hiccups cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.